On Friday, June 26th, Lindale hosted Texas Country Cares in an effort to raise funds for those affected by the tornado in Van on Sunday, May 10th. Texas Country Cares hosted a benefit evening of live music, dinner, and fun for the whole family.
Come on over here, mama, let me love you till the cows come home. Come on over here, mama, let me love you till the cows come home. Till the cotton's all picked in the hay.
Members of the community and local vendors came together to raise support.
Manufacturers and distributors of the Kaiser Capo. That's what our company does, that and many different guitar accessories. And so what we're doing is selling them and giving 100% of the proceeds to the Van Community Ministries, which then the money goes directly into their pockets.
Micah Coltman, TylerPaper.com.